Today we are going to see some system information commands. First, who am I? We can see the who is logged in, ec2-user is logged in, and then next command is uname hyphen a. In this display the Linux information. We can see the information about our Linux system. Next command is uname hyphen r. This is we are showing uname hyphen r, showing the kernel related information. Next command cat hyphen etc. Cat command is for read the data. System in this we can see the versions about installed version. Hostname, we can see the system hostname. Another command also, display the IP address of the system. In this command we can see the system reboot history. We can see the date time. We can see the calendar. We can see who is online.